Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we will learn the alphabet letters. Let's trace and paint them together. N O P Q R S T U V W X Y C. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. N for net.
The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cow
O for onion.
takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat.
P for pen.
Takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone.
Q for
The
queen.
cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone.
R for ring. S for star. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht.
The wheels on the bus.
C for zebra. N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel.